Hello everybody, Joel here. So on my 2005 F-150 I've removed the WeatherTech floor mats. Got a good vacuum underneath them. They need a little bit of TLC, but I think I can get these things back to like new condition. There's a few curls in them. I'm going to try to put some heat on that and see if I can restore that to its original condition. And this one is the back mat. Behind the driver, and when the driver's seat would go back, it curled that part of the mat up. So I believe I can take some heat to that also. And again, I will get these things cleaned up and hopefully looking like new again. Well, I took that curl out pretty nice, and I'm going to check it. I'll put it in the vehicle and give it a check to see if it needs to be form fit a little bit more. But otherwise, I think that that curl came out right nice. Now we'll see what we can do cleaning these up with a little bit of simple green. Took a toothbrush from the house. Got a couple hard to get spots here. I can imagine some of you, when I got the toothbrush out, were saying, hey, let me get a bigger brush. So I ended up using the quickie brush, and wow, that made quick work of it. So just spraying on the simple green, and then really hitting it good and hard with a quickie brush. Dress this thing up really nice. There's a couple of spots I suppose I could touch up right in this area. I did work this one, but I'll shoot a little more in there, see if I can get it. But that curl came up, and I think it's going to fit in there right nice. But we'll give it a try, and I will keep you posted on how the other ones turn out also. Just to give you an idea of how dirty that other one was. Again, just a little bit closer up view. And that one came pretty clean. I got it put into the truck. I'm going to take the heat gun to it just to reform it a little bit right up in the front where by the door hinges. This is still a little bit out of form in the other one, and this one is obviously curled up here, so I'm going to have to reform this one too. But boy, it seems to work really well with that heat gun. We'll get this one cleaned up and try to reform it, see what we get. Let's see if we can get this big hump out of this rear pad. That looks pretty good. Floor mat restoration successful. These are WeatherTech floor mats. Probably, this is a 2005, so they could be some of the first generation. I don't know when WeatherTech started making these floor mats, but I know it's been a while. And they're very good. They're easy to clean and get back into shape just with the heat gun. This one up front turned out pretty decent. Still has a nice fit around the sides. Yeah, I think they turned out great. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next video.